Welcome guys, this video tutorial will help you to test all the hardware. So before testing, make sure that you have made the connections as per the instructions provided to you. So make sure that you have made the relevant connections to the servo motors, to the motor drivers, and correspondingly to the motor outputs, and you have made the board as per the instruction, which is connecting between the power supply and to the motor driver, and using a DC jack to the arithmetic development board. Okay, so in order to test all the hardware, first you need to find the cb hardware testing.hex in the test files folder, and you'll have to burn this hex file into the development board and then type in the command. So your code is being burned using the hex file. So also make sure that the jumper is removed from the STK500V2 and it is connected using the 10 to 6 pin converter to the ASP connector. So once the code has been successfully burned, then now you can test your each hardware using the input from your keyboard. So in order to test this motor, open the Arduino IDE, and inside that make sure that you have selected the port as USB 0, which in this case is the adapter connection with the XB module, and then open the serial monitor. So inside the serial monitor, depending upon the input you give, your motor will, and your motors and servo motor will respond. So if you press Q, you can see that this motor moves. So it moves in one direction, and if you press A, it moves in the reverse direction. And pressing Z will stop this motor. And similarly, to test the other motor, at the same way, press W and press enter, and then press S and press enter to rotate the motor in the reverse direction, and pressing X will stop this motor. So you have successfully tested the motors and the motor driver. Now we can test the servo motors. So in order to test the servo motors, in the serial input, press E and press enter, and you can see that your servo motor moves from 0 degree to 180. Pressing B will move it in the opposite direction. Similarly, to test the other servo motor, press R and pressing F, it moves in the other direction. So now you have successfully tested all the components, including motors, XB modules, motor drivers, your power circuit board which you have made, the power supply, and the development board. Best of luck guys.